on the hunt for a new construction home here in Las Vegas, then continue watching. We're gonna be at the North Las Vegas area at the Heartland Falls community. These homes are built by D.R. Horton. Now let's get started. First model that we're gonna be taking a look at is Plan 2433. This is the same size and square footage, and this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Base price starts off at $441,990. Now, the average lot size for this specific community is about 4,000 square feet. The HOA is going to be about $109 a month. Broken that down, that's going to be $32 for the HOA and $77 for their master plan fee or their neighborhood supplemental fee. They do have SIDS and LIDs, which I'm going to put up on the screen, okay? They do have, this is also a gated community. There's 3 plans to choose from, and there's 3 different elevations for this particular home. There's gonna be about 120 homes to be built on this community, and the lot premiums are gonna be about $0 to $8,000 to start off. As always, D.R. Horton, they will provide the pavers on the driveway, and they will have desert landscaping. Right in front, this is the office right now, but that's gonna be your 2-car garage. And on the left side, you'll have a covered patio right here. And this is the side of the house. You'll have a gate to the backyard, okay? D.R. Horton, you're gonna have the smart home system with the cam doorbell, and then you'll have a keypad right here. All right, when you walk in, this is gonna be, this is a 9-foot ceiling, okay? You're gonna get these 12 by 24 tile flooring. This is already spec'd out, and majority of the house is gonna be spec'd out for the build out. To the left, you'll have a half bath right here, okay? And we're gonna go to the right side of the home. Just letting you guys know that this specific build is gonna have the appliances included, so your washer, dryer, and they're also gonna include some blinds as well. So that's gonna save you guys a lot of cost, your initial cost. Now, this is gonna be your dining section, okay? I'm gonna give you guys a preview of this side of the house. Right here, you got some large windows, and this is your living area. You're also gonna get a storage right here. Underneath the staircase, your coat closet as well with your panel box right here, okay? You're gonna have a Honeywell thermostat system. All right, and you get this large island in the middle. This is around 8 by 4. You'll have your bar stool seating as well. All right, refrigerator is gonna be included, which is the Whirlpool brand. Granite countertops, white shaker cabinets with the steel bars. Here's your pantry. Just dropped my glasses. All right, and on this island, you're gonna have your dishwasher right here, your stainless steel basin sink with your faucet and your osmosis filter system. On this side, you're gonna have your microwave, your stovetop cooktop, and your oven included. You get a lot of counter space, and you have a large window right here to see your backyard. Here's another view from this corner. And your backyard, you're only gonna get about this little patch of pavers. Everything else is gonna be up to you to decide what you guys wanna build. You'll have about a year to complete the backyard. Here's a view of this side. Okay, are you guys ready for the second floor? Right in front, that's the door for your garage as well. Also, if this is your first time on the channel, you want to know everything there is about new build homes in Las Vegas, then subscribe below, tap the bell for notification so you can be the first to learn about any new builds that I do on this channel. Here is the second floor. It's gonna be carpeted, okay? And then you'll have two large windows above, 3 actually, above for natural light to come in the home, okay? All right, and then really quick guys, I'd like to remind you that if you find value and enjoy these home tours, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and turn on that notification bell so you will be always informed whenever I do these home tours. All right, left or right side? Actually, let's start off on the right side. Right when you get to the top of the stairs, here's one of the bedrooms. And directly right in front of that is your staircase to go back downstairs, but you do get your shared bathroom in the hallway. You get a double vanity sink. Here's your shelf for your linens. And right behind that door, you're gonna have your shower tub combo. This is a prefabricated backsplash. Here's your second bedroom. Then you have a closet right here, and this is your loft area. This is a really nice loft. Very, very spacious, large size. And then check this out, guys. This is a very new community up in North Las Vegas. Okay, look at how much lots that they have been available to build out. Here's another view. And this is the other bedroom. They converted this more into an office. And then you have a small closet right here. Guys, we get calls every week, every single day from people just like you to make a move to Las Vegas. And whether you're looking to move in 7 days or 3 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, shoot us an email, and schedule a Zoom call with us. We're happy to help you make that smooth move to Las Vegas. Okay. Here's the laundry room. Washer dryer will be included for this particular build, okay guys? You get your shelf right there. This is a pretty large laundry room. And then last, we're entering the primary bedroom. All right, and from here, you can actually see the park. That's one of the amenities. And then obviously here's the backyard for this specific lot. And I'm gonna show you guys from this corner that the gate for this particular community is right there. And you get the view, look at the beautiful view of the mountainside. That's how close you are from the mountains, okay? And let's go look at the primary bathroom. You'll have your closet right here. You have your walk-in shower right here with the benches. Okay, everything is prefabricated. This is your walk-in closet. Toilet room. And you get a double vanity sink. All right, let me know what you guys think, guys. If you like this build out, let me know. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.